You might have seen that whenever we talk about Apple, whose name comes in your mind? It's Steve Jobs. Whenever we talk about Reliance, whose name comes in your mind? It's Dhirubhai Ambani, right? So there is a person behind the big move. When we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, when we talk about the good governance of India, किसका नाम याद आता है? Shri Narendra Bhai Modi. See, thing is that there is a person behind the move, and we need to have that person leader, you.
I'll be introducing you to one such amazing personality. Now, personal branding is a lot more than just updating your profiles and posting on social media. It obviously involves a much deeper, more personal, and more extensional activity. So, let me introduce you to Mr. Vinod Tiwari. He is also known as the magician of words. He's the founder of Gulf India Consultants, provide technological solutions to ensure your peace of mind. He's an engineering director and innovative solar energy expert awardee. He's also the best-selling author, an international speaker, a regional mentor at AIM, Niti Aayog, and he have conducted more than 180 seminars and workshops across India and UAE. Now he is one dynamic personality with us, and I'm sure he's going to add a lot of value to this session. So welcome, Vinod.
Hey, Devsha, thank you very much for a great, wonderful introduction. I want to say namaste, hello to each one of you. Thank you very much.
Great. So let's not waste more time. Let's deep into our conversation. And I'm shooting you with a lot of questions. So be ready with that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my first question to you is, what is your opinion about the startup ecosystem in India and hurdles in entrepreneurship for aspiring entrepreneurs?
Well, that's very nice question. I should say it's $1 million question. You asked it the first. Wonderful. Let me tell you that the real major chunk of the problem which is being faced as a Southeast Asia company, I should say, I talk about India only. So because right now I'm UAE in Abu Dhabi, and I could see the countries and people who are living over here who are working for the startups and all. So if I compare our startups, like Indian startups from the remaining community of the globe, I'm sorry to say, I see the biggest gap is not the technology, is not the mind, is not the brilliancy, is not the education, it is the vision. It is the vision. It's a lack of vision. And let me tell you that vision is not something which is you can see, but you have to see, which is invisible. Okay, so here I want to emphasize those great minds to have a big vision. Okay, we are really amazing people on the earth, Indians, but still we need to have a big vision to make big giants and big startups. So this is as simple as that. Thank you.
So that was a great insight. Now, tell us something like, is personal branding different from traditional branding?
Oh, wow. Yes, it is very much different. Let me tell you what exactly is a personal branding. Allow me to define exactly what it is. People get actually confused that we have to brand or not. Let me tell you, you need to brand. You have to brand, and you must brand. Now, you can brand your company, you can brand your products, you can brand your services. But apart from all about that, there is a face, there is a man, there is a vision of a personality should be there. And hence the reason the personal branding is kept on the top of the traditional branding or the company branding or the product branding. You might have seen that whenever we talk about Apple, whose name comes in your mind? It's Steve Jobs. Whenever we talk about Reliance, whose name comes in your mind? It's Dhirubhai Ambani, right? So there is a person behind the big move. When we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, when we talk about the good governance of India, किसका नाम याद आता है? Shri Narendra Bhai Modi. See, thing is that there is a person behind the move, and we need to have that person leader, you, because you have started the startup. So hence the reason you should do the personal branding, and it is completely different with the traditional branding. I hope I answered the question.
Yes, absolutely. And as you rightly said, even I explained to my, me being a social media coach, I also emphasize a lot on personal branding. So the very first thing I explain them in a layman's language is ki if people know you can, have more 10 brands under your name. अगर कोई आपको ही नहीं जानता है तो आपके नीचे जो ब्रांड्स आएगी उसको कैसे जानेगा? How will that personal touch will be there? So it's a very, very good and very simplified way you explained it. So does you obviously you said does everyone have can become a brand? So is that true? Everyone can become a brand. Let's make it clear. Yes or no?
Oh yes. Let me tell you first of all, Devisha, I'm really blessed to have a great host with me. You are really a great expert in the social media. I know a lot about you. Thank you very much. So to answer your question, does everybody can do it or not? The answer is big yes. Yes, anybody and everybody. You are the basically face behind your product. You are the having the idea, and the only thing you have to do is that you have to come one step forward and you have to start showing your lovely, beautiful face. As simple as that. Via so many ways. Via so many ways. People love to interact with people. People don't love to interact with Colgate. People don't love to interact with the product. People love to interact. They want to see the person who is behind it. And when they see the trust factor, the belief factor, and the principle and the ethics, then they definitely are bound to love the product and services you're offering. So the answer is anybody and everybody can become and should become and must become a personal brand.
Especially in the age of social media, where influencers and micro influencers are popping up like mushrooms, and there is a reason behind this. So we'll discuss more about this. So how important it is to develop a self or individual brand during enhancement of startup in digital age.
Oh yes, that's very true. That you should be. It is one of the very, very, very important tasks, at least for the startups. Okay, let me tell you, as what I said, that first of all, you should have a big vision, but then behind that, there is a personality, there is a mind, and there is a great character behind it. So you should ideate that and you should let it forward and bring ahead to the people. Now, what you said is that actually really important? It is. And how we can do that? There are so many ways. Okay, I'll come and touch upon at later stage that today, it's not rocket science. It's not costly. It's not expensive. You can do it at your own. There are multiple ways that you can put yourself ahead and you can show your philosophy to the world, to the people, to the great people outside there. Thank you.
Great, awesome. So that's true, friends. So you need to take care of your personal branding. We have experts with us who can help you throughout. So with that, tell us, what are your top 3 golden tips you would like to share with the budding startup entrepreneurs for self-branding?
Yes, that's a good question. And I have actually noted down because I wanted to give some tips, and good you asked this question. So there are 3 tips I would like to give all the budding entrepreneurs who are really looking and checking this time. The first thing I would like to enhance that, guys, the thing what you're doing is great. It's amazing, because coming out of the comfort zone and making something great as a startup is not a joke. This is not an easy thing. People are pulling your friends and family. They are discouraging you, but still you have took courage to do something. So you're doing great thing. So the number one thing, my tip is that you should be enhancing your self-image every now and then, because you need to keep positive. You need to think big and you have to act fast. So for that reason, you have to enhance your self-image. Now, people do ask me, what is self-image, Vinod? So self-image is something which you think what you are about yourself. Okay, I repeat it. It is not what people are thinking about you. It does not matter at all. What matters is that what you think about yourself. When you look at the mirror, you see a cat or you see a lawyer. That matters. So that is called self-image. And how it can be improved? Let me give suggestions that you have to keep your association of the positive people. You have to keep associated with great self-help books. You have to keep associated with the positive people. And when you surround yourself with the great mentors or the books or the association, definitely your self-image, your thoughts, your positivity about you is going to enhance day by day. So this is number one tip. Second tip is you have to be smart. Second tip is you have to become smart. Now you might have heard, Devisha, that now every now and then we listen that there is a smartphone, then there's smart mobile, then a smart television is coming, then smart furniture is coming, smart car is coming. But hey, are you smart? Because in this all process, the only dumbest thing is getting day by day is the human species. I'm sorry to say. So my point over here is that you have to be smart enough to use the technologies. Okay, technologies are around you, and you have to be wise enough to use it. And do not believe in doing everything at your own. Don't believe in that.
Very important point.
Yes, make your good team of the technological people, make a best of the best minded team, and then work in a team. So the second tip is that be smart with the smart technologies. And third, very important, is that keep your principles and ethics ahead. Okay, first of all, you should have it, because I have seen that many people run their life on circumstances. You know, today is something great, they do it, tomorrow not, they don't do it. So don't run your life on circumstances, run your life on principles. Make some, if you don't have, make your vision statement, make your mission statement, and then move ahead, because you are a leader and people are going to follow you. They are going to look at you. You are in the glass house. So important is that you have to enhance, you have to make your principles and ethics. This is my third tip. Thank you very much, Devisha.
So I'm sure you must be enjoying this, and the tips that shared, Vinod have just shared with us is like, the golden tips which every one of us should, keep a note of. Always seek help, which is very important. Sab mujhe akeli ko karna hai ya sab main akela kar lunga is no more the end statement. So please don't do that. We are not experts. We can hire experts from each field, and we can all move together. So that's a brilliant explanation, Vinod. So moving on to my next question, how can one make a personal brand stand out if the person or the startup is not already a super successful one on social media or anywhere else? How to go about it?
Well, so first of all, you have to, ask this question to yourself. Why?
Yeah, the why should be very much clear.
Yeah, you are the right person to know exactly the reason. Maybe we cannot figure it out. But yes, let me tell you some few things where people are actually not, able to cope up with this one. First thing is that people sometimes do have a great startup, really brilliant one, but it is not reaching to the real ventures or the funding companies, so that they don't get funded. And then this particular great idea dies within the ground. It doesn't even come like as a plant. So this is one of the things where you should go and get yourself mentored with the right personality, with the right person. There is nothing harm to share your idea and seek a great advice from the experts, Don't ask your spouse, don't ask your, colleague or your friend or your newspaper man. Okay.
Most importantly, don't ask Google everything.
Yes, that's true. Nowadays, people are asking everything from the Google. Please.
Don't do that.
Yes, very true. So important is that you have to, go to the experts, seek a great advice, and then figure it out that how powerful is your idea. And let me tell you, the first person who has to believe in your idea is you. You have to believe in yourself. Maybe your friends, even family will not believe. But yes, Mark Zuckerberg believed in his idea, and today the world is following him. So first you have to believe it. And if people are going to see that you're believing and you're trusting and you're moving ahead and ahead, people slowly will come and start following you.
Start following.
Yes.
Absolutely. That was a great one. Because what we see of lately is because of the social media, there is a lot of pressure on everyone of being having a perfect thing, and I know it all and I have it all. So
Yeah.
it's important. It's okay if you don't have it, but you will surely have it. But it will happen only and only if you start believing in yourself. And as you rightly said, you have to take small steps towards it. Take help of a mentor, of a professional one, obviously. Don't go for Google and here and there. ठीक है, वो काम आएगा लेकिन बाद में.
बराबर, सही बात है.
Yes, yes. So, moving on to my next question, what steps would you recommend for building a personal brand? Like, if there is a startup and they are seeking some, few basic steps, कि चलो ये चीज तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. So, what are those steps? Would you like to share with them?
Good. So maybe I would like to share a story over here. I'm just coming at the top of my mind. See, thing is that सबसे पहले तो आपको ये सोचना है कि जो भी आप कर रहे हो, it has got a value and
Correct.
it is going to serve somebody. It is going to serve somebody. ये किसी की प्रॉब्लम, समस्या या किसी का समाधान है, किसी का सॉल्यूशन है. So this is more important, that you should have that kind of a big heart to serve people. There is a good proverb कि help millions and make millions. आप जितने ज्यादा लोगों की सेवा करोगे, पैसे की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सक्सेस की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, you will get a lot like this. मैं आपको एक छोटी सी स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ, बड़ी जबरदस्त है, and let me narrate it in Hindi so that many people will get connect. See, thing is that कि एक बच्चा था जो हमेशा आकर के फुटबॉल खेलता था ग्राउंड के अंदर में. तो ही ऑलवेज वाज कमिंग विथ प्लेइंग एट मतलब आता था और वो प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए पिच के पास में बैठ जाता था. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि वो 13th प्लेयर था, ही वाज नॉट इन द 12th वन. तो जो कोच था वो हमेशा बोलता था कि अभी सब में जगह नहीं है और आप आराम करिए, बैठे रहिए. तो वो करते 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 पूरा टाइम रहा और इनफैक्ट वो अपने पापा के साथ आता था और बैठ जाता था थर्ड वहां पर बाहर और बेचारा फिर चला जाता था. तो इस तरीके से पूरा सब कुछ हो गया. एक दिन क्या हुआ कि उनकी स्कूल का फाइनल मैच खेला जाना था, मतलब प्री फाइनल से सेमीफाइनल से फाइनल में आ गए. और उस वक्त में वो बच्चा आकर के कोच को बोलता है कि सर, मैं आपसे विनती करता हूं, रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि मुझे आज के मैच में खेलने का मौका दें. उसने बोला, व्हाट, तुम तो बेटा प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं कर पाए थे, तुम तो पूरे टाइम ही बाहर पीछे बैठे रहते, हाउ कैन आई थिंक अबाउट दिस, आई कैन नॉट इवन थिंक. कहता है नहीं सर, मेरे को आज खेलना जरूरी है. कहता है आपको खेलना जरूरी है लेकिन मैं आपको अलाउ नहीं कर सकता. इफ आई वुड बी डूइंग नॉट एज पर माय प्रिंसिपल्स. कहता है नहीं सर, आप कुछ भी कीजिए लेकिन मैं जबरदस्त खेलूंगा, मैं विश्वास दिलाता हूं, मैं स्कूल को जिताऊंगा. उसे समझ नहीं आया कि ये बच्चा क्यों इतनी जिद कर रहा था. एनीवेज ही सेड, आज मैं अपने डिसीजन के अगेंस्ट एक मैसेज दे रहा हूं. और कहता है ओके, I will allow you, but please मेरी इज्जत रखना और तुम अच्छा खेलना. कहता है yes, done deal sir, don't worry. And what happened? This small boy, he played like anything. He was a super. He made highest number of goals. और ultimately स्कूल जीता और फिर वो बच्चा भी जो चैंपियन बना. अब क्या हुआ कि सब लोग, तो सबको पता नहीं थी स्टोरी, लेकिन कोच परेशान था. कोच कहता है ये हुआ कैसे. कोच ने बच्चे को बुलाया, कहता है कि बेटा, मैंने कितना अगेंस्ट डिसीजन लिया था, मुझे नहीं पता था ये सब, लेकिन हुआ कैसे, अब मैं तुमसे जानना चाहता हूं उसका सीक्रेट क्या है. तो बच्चा बोलता है कि सर और कुछ नहीं है, आज एक्चुअली मेरे पापा मेरा मैच देख रहे हैं. वो कहता है वाओ, एंड ही लुक्ड एट द सेम प्लेस बैक साइड जहां पर पापा उसके साथ बैठते थे. तो वो कहता है लेकिन पापा तो आज दिख नहीं रहे, पापा वहीं बैठते थे, पापा कहाँ गए, आप कैसे बोल रहे हो पापा हैं. तो बोले पापा का मेरे 3 दिन पहले देहांत हो गया और पापा मेरे अंधे थे. He was a blind man. So अभी तक के मैच उन्होंने नहीं देखे, लेकिन आज का मैच उन्होंने देखा है.
Wow.
So important is that आपका मैच भी आपके पापा मम्मी देख रहे हैं, आपका मैच भी आपका भगवान देख रहा है. गॉड बिलीव, जिसमें भी आप बिलीव करते हैं. So trust on that real big factor and work with a big heart. Work with a real way to serve and help people. Don't worry about the success. Don't worry about the fame and name. It's going to come at all. वो तो आना ही है आपके पास में. बस आप दिल लगा करके, मन लगा करके करिए. Thank you, Devisha.
Wow, that was That was such a beautiful story. I actually end में मेरे तो goosebumps आ गए थे. I'm sure our listeners and viewers will be also like, feeling the same what I'm feeling right now. So you very rightly said, your intentions, your values, the more value you add, so obviously the returns are there with you. So great. So tell us, do you have any reference source wherein these people, the startups, entrepreneurs who are looking for self branding can refer to those articles, or anywhere where they can have these references?
Well, yes, I would encourage all those budding startups and all who should, think out of the box and go ahead to find out the such things. And let me tell you, we are actually in the same domain for years together. We are helping and supporting many of the entrepreneurs. And I'm the basically UAE's leading entrepreneurship consultant. And I have a goal to, at least support 1 million entrepreneurs in my lifetime.
Wow.
So I'm on that goal. So we have a lot many resources with us. सबसे पहली चीज तो मैं बताना चाहूंगा, if you are looking to enhance your self image, so I have started a podcast a couple of years before, and it has become a top 25% global podcast, which is self help motivation. Okay, so self-help motivation, if you will search, it is available everywhere: Apple, Google, Amazon, subject is Spotify, maybe. So you can find, which is going to be very useful for that. There are 14 episodes only, limited one, and each episodes are like 10 to 20 minutes only. But it is really wonderful. Second thing मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि हम लोग कई सारे के प्रोग्राम करते हैं, कोर्सेज करते हैं, not costing a lot. It's not about making money. It's about supporting, helping Indian brain to grow global. I don't want to be them at a local, but we want to make them global. जो हमारी government का भी चल रहा है. So there is a website. If you can just spell it out, it is www.iamvinodtiwari. So आप वहाँ पर जा सकते हैं. Lot many resources you are going to get, and I would really happy and love to help and support each one of you, any one of you. I would be happy to grow, see you grow, guys.
I'm sure. So, Vinod, quickly tell our viewers what are the top 3 services that you offer, and you feel, I'm sure you must be offering multiple services, but what are your top 3 services that you offer?
So, well, that's a good thing. First thing is that we really help people to enhance their soft skills. Maybe you're aware that hard skills plays a good important role. आपने engineering, doctoring या lawyer या accountancy कर लिया, लेकिन वो 20% के अलावा 80% का जो gap है, जो soft skills का है, there is no university or college or something, but we help and support them to make a design a great personality. So soft skills is number 1. Second thing is digital branding. So we help people to make their companies or individual to come on the social media and be visible to the right community at very, very less expenses. So this is second thing. And third part is that we enhance their self-image by means of the podcast or by means of the book writing, because I have wrote a book which is available in 47 countries. So now after that, I started, helping people how they can become an author within 60 days. So that course is also running on Udemy, where like hundreds of country people are already there in students. The name is Discover the Writer Within You, because writer तो है अंदर, आपके अंदर है, कहानी तो है, बस उसको निकालनी कैसे, पब्लिश कैसे करनी है और बेस्ट सेलर कैसे बनाना है, वो हम 60 दिन में लोगों को बताते हैं.
Awesome. So what's the title of your book? आपने अपना, हम लोगों ने इतना बात किया book के बारे में. What is the title of your best-selling book?
Yeah, thank you. Good you asked. I missed out to say. It is From Dreaming to Achieving in Life.
Wow.
From Dreaming to Achieving in Life. This is the title. Thank you.
So that was completely amazing. I'm sure this live have helped lot many people with lot many steps and the if buts, how the ABCD of basically branding, personal branding, why is it important. And thank you so much, Vinod, for this awesome session, and a lot of good luck to Vyapar Jagat, the whole team of Vyapar Jagat, for this 3 days award function that they have, and good luck to you all.
Devisha, thank you very much for really hosting it really, really wonderful way. And I would like to say thanks to definitely the anchor Kavita and Dr. Praveen Parwar, who is the real personality behind the whole show.
The brain, the soul behind this
He's a great champion. I met him last year when I was in India, and he has got a real great energy inside him.
Absolutely.
We all should, go and shake hand with this guy.
No, I have met personally, so I'm blessed with that. Now I have to meet you.
Sure, please come up to the studio, both of you.
Certainly. Thank you so much, Vinodji. I think, so the great story you have told into this session, and it was really a very inspiring, and I think a lot of things to learn from this particular session. So I'm really sure, the startups and the early risers or the SME entrepreneurs, those who are watching this particular show, and in fact, in future also, whomsoever will visit Vyapar Jagat TV, they will, go through this particular show and they will learn many things from your insights, your knowledge, sir. Thank you so much for joining in today's session. And yeah, it's a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you.
Bye. Good luck.